Good morning, ladies.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
We are fine, thank you. And you?
Fine, thanks. Me sit down. Yes, girls. How was your mood today, girls? Good. Everyone is here? Yes. Who's absent today? Can A, can B? Can A? Where is she? She's okay. Okay, girls. Girls, today's topic is parallel and series connections of resistors. Yes, girls? Girls, now we are going to test this topic with the Ohm's law. Do you remember Ohm's law, girls?
Yes.
And what is it?
Ohm's law is connection between the resistors.
Yeah.
Resistors is the charges.
Yes. Yes. And voltage. Yes, girls. Yes. This is our word art. Yes. And what kind of words are you seeing?
Charge.
Potential.
Flow.
Law.
Columns.
Then.
Neuron.
Charge. Then. Electric protons. Then. Neutrons. Electric field. Yes. Then. Difference. What kind of difference? Potential difference. Yes. All words that are shown there is known. Yes. For example, electric potential. What is it?
Potential when like you find difference between one charge going to the other, like it's a charge change his own place.
Yes.
The next.
Well done. And what about the proton and the neutron?
They are particles of
Yeah, well done. And what kind of proton charge? Plus or minus? Neutron? Neutral. And electron? Minus. Yes, girls, well done. And now we are revising the homework, the previous lesson. Ohm's law. Do you remember the formula of Ohm's law?
Yes.
And what is it? Voltage. Yes. Voltage is equal to multiplication to I and R. Girls. V is equal to I multiplication to R. It means Ohm decided that there will be a connection between voltage, electric current, and a resistor. Yes, girls. And as you see, they are directly proportional. Yes, girls. If resistor increases, voltage increase. If resistor decreases, voltage also decreases. Well done. And we have a triangle method like VIR. If you want to find V, we will close this V and find IR multiplication. If you want to find I, yes, we will close I and V divided by R. And the others, for others also, like this. Yes, look, this is for what uses resistors?
For stopping the power of electricity.
Yes.
Maybe in one shape.
Yes. For example, electric current passes quickly, there will be electric shock, yes? But if it closes quickly, it will have electric shock. And resistor uses for resist the electric current, yes? Well done, girls. Now, for example, look, we have illustration. For example, this is online Colorado experiment. And we will show. Look, girls, this is our VIR. Yes, girls? Ohm's law. If increase V, look at the I. How it changes? Yes, it's also increasing, yes? If we decrease to Z, decreases. Yes, girls. And what about the resistor? Stays the same. Yes, girls. Stays the same. And if the voltage also stays the same, and the change voltage, resistor, V doesn't change. Yeah. I decreasing. Yes. And let's R decrease. Yeah. It will be increasing. Yes, yes. Is it clear, girls? Yes. Well done. It's our revising lesson. Now, girls, we are going to divide into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's divide into 6 groups. You are the 22. 6 will be by 3, 4. By 4 people. Now, girls, we are going to solve problems like this, and we will have a chocolate for the winners. Now, what we are going to do? Solve lessons. Yeah, solve problems. Yes, Class Jojo, do you remember this one? Yes. Yes, this is your faces. Yes. For example, balloon. Yeah. Balloons are normal, yes? Your face is normal. Teacher, yes. I thought that you will not come. Sorry, no. I don't. Yes, let's divide into groups. Yes, yes. Class children will divide you into groups. 6. Yes, she can be. Okay, girls. Now we are going to none. Yes, girls. Kalai, can you share this one? To the groups 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, girls. Now we are going to divide. Now, girls, do you have any instruments?
I'm not there.
That's okay. Yeah. Yes, girls. Now, class teacher will divide you. 4, 5. Yes, let's divide in 5. Yes, girls. Class teacher divided. First group, Zarina, Balosa, Ayajan, Nuray, Malvan. Yes, girls. Come to the first group. The second group, Inkar is not here. Tamiris, you can go. Akmaral, Araylı, Uldana, Palay. You can buy Palay. Yes, girls, come to the second and the third group. Diana, Ayyerim, Madina, Albina, Dina, Mayra. Yes. The fourth group, Diana, Balabiye. Ayolum, Aslay, Aydana, Afrodit, Rıfraliye. Yes, girls. Yes, girls, please change your places. Yes, girls, first group is this one. The second group. Third group. Second group. Yes, yes. First 5, second. Now, yes, you are given white sheets. You are going to solve problems. Yes, yes. That means we are going to solve this one. Let's open. Yes. Yes. First group we have, second group we have, third group, and fourth group. Yes, it will be the competition for hour. For time, who will be the first? Will you given by 1? Yes, 1 point. 1 like that. Let's start from first example. Yes, girls, be quick. By group, by group. Yes, yes. Yes, girls. You are given answer I. No, first group. The second group. Teacher. Yes, yes. Third group, yes. 1 point. For the third group, I'll give 1 point. Yes, well done. Then the second problem, girls. Who with the first? It's not correct. Yes, well done. The third group also 1 point. The next problem, girls. Be quick. Other groups has 2 problems, 1 more. You have chance. Yeah, we were first. Yes, well done. It's first group. 1 point. And yours. The last problem is a competition between first and the third group. Yes, yours. You should find this. Oh, teacher. The third group was first. Yes. The winners is first third group. After that, girls will have another problem. You can sit like that, yes? And girls, let's pass to the new topic. And girls, as you see, we have garlands, yes? In New Year, we are going to use garlands. Why? To be beautiful, yes? Like to show the tone very beautiful, yes? Like that, we will use garlands. Yes, garlands consists of many bulbs. Yes, because if one bulb is will not be like light and give light, others will not also give light. It means that all the garlands bulbs will be connected to the one space, one wire, and it means this wire can have one electric current. If one charge cut off, others will be also cut off. Yes, yes. Is it clear? Yes. Yes, well done, girls. Yes, in life, for example, you should like develop yourself in every sizes and everywhere. For example, if you should be physically very great, you should be intellectually very good, you should be spiritually also great. If one will be down, others also will be going to down. Like this, girls. In life, also it exists, girls. Yes, resistors. Resistors, what are they? It resists to pass electric current. Yes, yes. And you will have the current properties. For example, resistor, this one, R1, R2. And it's connected seriously. Yes, yes. In series connection, what we will have, R equal will be simply added. Yes? Simply added. And what about the total charge? Same, yes? R1 is equal to I2. And V total will be the addition of V1 and V2. Yes, after some time we'll do experiment there. Yeah? Yes, equivalent resistors there, it means that current will pass from one resistor and the second resistor. It means it will have the same current. Why the same current?
Because it's through
Yeah, because it's the same wire. Yes, it's not like the two types of wire. It's only one wire. Because of that, we will have one and same current. Is it clear? And to be more properly, let's solve one problem. Because by group you can show also. By group. Have you finished? Yeah. Yes, well done, well done. First group, well done.
Let me check here.
Yeah, we did have it. 0.01. Why 0.01? The voltage is 1.5. What about you girls? Well done. Yeah? By Ohm's law? Change, please. Yes. Yes, for the first group, I will give 1 point. And I'll show you the solution. Yes, what are we given? Yes, resistors are connected seriously. Yes. And if resistors are connected seriously, we will add it simply. Yes. 33 plus 45 plus 72, it will be 150 ohm. Yes. And the voltage is given. And how much is it? 1.5 volt. And you should find I. With what formula we are going to use? Voltage divided. Yes, well done. I is equal to voltage divided by R. Voltage is 1.5 and divided by 150. We will get
0.01.
Yes, well done. Well done, girls. Is it clear, girls? This topic. Yes, girls. Let's go to the next. If they are connected parallel, we will add the resistance circle by 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2. Yes, girls? And in this case, currents are added. Yes, girls? Why added? Yes, girls. Well done. Girls, look, the current passing from this one divides into 2. Yes? Into 2, and it will have different wires. If different wires, different currents. And the total current will be added. And what about the voltage? Will be the same. Yes, well done. Will be the same. Let's solve one more problem. There it goes. Let's solve. Yes, girls, look. What you are given that 4 resistor and 12 resistor. You should find I total, I1, I2. If the total voltage is 24. Yes, girls. By group we should solve. Teacher. Yes. Yeah. Option. Yeah. Yes, well done. I total is and I1, I2. Who told I1, I2? I1, I2. What about the others currently? I1, I2. No, it's not. I1, I2. No. Yeah, divide into. Yes, well done. The second group. For the second group, I'll give 1 point. Yes. Well done, the second group. Yes, yes. How will it solve? 4 and the 12 will be added. How?
1 over.
Yeah.
1 over 12.
Yes.
1 over 4 is equal to 1 over 3.
Yeah, well done.
Equal like resistance total, and we find total current.
Yeah.
By formula voltage dividing resistance, and it is equal to the 8.
Yeah.
And by finding like voltage dividing each of the resistance, we're finding each of the current.
Yeah. Yes, yes. All your solutions are same, yes? Yes. Third group, first group, and second. Yes, yes. Now look. For example, the lamps are connected there. How are they connected? Seriously, yes, seriously. And yes, one of them cut off, yes. Will be given others. Others also will be cut off, yes, yes. If yes, they are connected parallel and one of is cut off, other will be staying. Why, yes, why?
Екі топ жүріп отырып, біреуі сен шықпасаң, екінші соның орнына тұрады. То есть соның орнына беріп тұрады. Ой.
They have like different type of power, источник of power, and that's why they like if one of them cut off, other will work because they have another like second source.
Yes, yes, well done. Yes, for example, the wire, yes, there will be different wires, and the current passing through it will divide into 4, yes, 4 parts. And if one is cut off, other will be working because of the wire is different. Is it clear, yes?
Yes.
Yes, yes, well done. Now, yes, we are going to do experiment. Look, yes, this is our voltage, yes? It means that voltmeter. For example, you measure your height by meter, yes? Or you will like measure your pressure by by barometer, yes? Barometer. What about your voice? Tachometer. And what kind of? What about the temperature? Thermometer, yes? Like this, the measurement of voltage is called voltmeter, yes? Voltmeter. And yes, this is our, the heavy one is power supply. We'll use this one. And please come there. We need a power, yes, to switch on it. Yes, yes, by one group come there and then look. Yes, your first group come. here. Because we need power supply, it's only there will be. Yes? It will be easier for you. Yes, look. This is our resistors. And it's equal to 10 ohm meter, yes? 10 ohm. And yes, it's 1 ampere, it's 5 ampere, it's 5 ohm also. Yes. And we will supply to the power supply and change to the voltage V. Yes, look. They are, how do you say, parallel connected or seriously?
Seriously.
Yes, look. This is coming to the voltage. Yes, this is one resistor. And this one voltage resistor connected another resistor. And this will be connected to this one parallel. And this also connected to this one
Parallel.
No, this one seriously connected. And that will be
parallel.
Yeah. This also only this part is connected parallel. Look, parallel is this one. The wire coming wires goes to there, and it will be shared with another resistor, and it will be parallel and going to this side. Is it clear? Yes. Yes. Then you can go. Yes. The second group, third group, fourth group. Yes. We need this power supply. Yes, this is our power supply. We'll switch on and change the voltage, this one, V1. And the resistors are connected, for example, this one. First connected seriously. And this series connected to the another resistor, parallel. And the another resistor connected to the another resistor seriously. Only this one is parallel because of it connected to the same voltage charges. Yes. If you touch this, it will be hot. Why? Yeah. Because of there is passing electric current. Yes. And yes, can you find from there a current, electric current? Yes. Yes. Now we are going to draw this picture of this one. Yes. We get the voltage V and the resistor this one and the how much is it? This one 5. Yes. 5. And get another resistor that's equal to 10. And another resistance that's equal to 5. 10, 5, 10. Let's decide that they are connected seriously. And the voltage we can change, girls. And how much is it? 8, yes? 8. The voltage 8. Can you find I from there, girls? Yes, girls. Please find. Yes, well done. The third group, 1 point. Yes. Yes, was it clear? Yes. How connected the passing supply, power supply will be connected to one first by this wire. Yes, one wire. By another wire, it will be connected to another resistance, and by this another wire will be connected to the third, the last resistor, and it will give the electric current. Yes. Thank you. Yes. Now, let's solve one more problem. Yes. The last problem, girls. The last problem, B. Be ready. The last problem. Yes. Now what are you? You are given And the total voltage is 12 volt. You should find I. Now you should find R equivalent I1, I2, I3, G1, V2, V3, V total. Yes. Can you find the results? Can you find? The last problem. The sum of the all voltage should be 20. The sum of the all voltage. Yes, correct. First group, third group is called you. These are I1, I2, I3, yes? Yes. Job? Yes. What do you find? V. It's V divided by R, V. Yes, good. What about the fifth group? The sum of this should be 20. I1, what about I1, I2? They are equal. Well done. What about the R equal? R equal? What about? Yes. I1, I2, I3. Yeah, well done, yours. What about the last group? What about you? Yes, guys. Who wants to swap to the whiteboard? If you do not, you can. It's a button here. Yes, first was the first group. Yes, in your version, you were the first. Are you going? It's equal to 30 ohm. Yes, yours. Is the same with you? Yes, yours. 30 ohm. And what about the I total?
Yeah.
0.6. Yeah, 0.666. Yes, why are they same? Yeah, because of series connection. One wire. Yes, well done. V1 is 5.28. And are the same with your the results? Yes, V2 is equal to 6.6. Also the same, yes, yours? Yes. And what about the V3? Also same? Yes, well done. Well done. And yours. How will you check that it's correct? We will add all voltages, yes? V1, V2, V3. They are should be 20 volt. Yes, yours. Then goes one more problem we can solve in parallel connections. Yours. Five, 10. Yours, the voltage is 100 volt. You should find yours R equivalent, I1, I2, I3, R equivalent, V1, V2, V3. Here's yours, please find. Yes, yours, well done. Here's yours, please find. Who wants to come to the whiteboard, girls? Mariam, yes, come. Others you can solve. Yes. Have you finished it? What about R equivalent? R equivalent?
No, R equivalent?
Yes, you can take.
Yes, all teacher.
R equivalent 나오고요.
Yes, this is correct. Yes, you change your places. After that, I equal. Yes, all done. And they are. Yes.
Yes, cards also yes.
Yes.
No cards. Yes. Total.
I equal.
What? Yes, the 20 sum to 10 to sum to 6.66 is equal to.
This is 15.
Yes, it's 15.
6. Yes.
Teacher, same answer.
Answers are same, yes? Yes. What about the R equivalent?
It's 2.7.
2.7, yes, all done. You should change the places. I must do. Yes, well done. Yes, well done. Well done. The first was yes. Yes. They will be first. And the second for the second group, I'll put 1 point. What about the fourth group? Are you sleeping? Yes. Yes, R equal 2.5. Are the same with yours? No. 3. Yes. Third group has 4 points. Yes. First group has the second places and has 3 points. Yes. Second group has 2 points and fourth group has 0 points. Yes. Thank you, Mariam. Yes, you can see. All the ones. Thank you. Yes. For the third group, I'll give a chocolate. Yes, guys. Stop. Yes, yours. And I'll put 10 for formal assessment for this group. And for the first group, I'll also put formal assessment 10 points. For the second, I'll give 9, and for the fourth group, 8. Yes, you were all active at some time. Yes, your home task is literacy from chapter 1.3, and yes, after, before finishing the lesson, if you understand this lesson, clap your, raise up your right hand. If you don't have any question, raise your left hand. If you like the lesson, clap your hand.